Welcome to the City of Mesa Registered Neighborhoods and HOAs map. Let's begin. To find your neighborhood, locate the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of your screen. When you click on it, a search window will open. Type your address and select the correct address from the drop-down options. When you click on the neighborhood, a pop-up window displays details such as your school district, police district, and council district. Community engagement coordinators are assigned by council district. Notice how this address belongs to multiple registered neighborhoods. Use the arrows in the pop-up window to navigate the different options. Remember, you can also register neighborhoods that are not HOAs. This one, for example, is a traditional neighborhood. The results window will be empty if your address is in an area without registered neighborhoods. Thank you for taking the time to check if your neighborhood is registered. For any questions, please email us at communityengagementinfo@mesaaz.gov or call 480-644-5700.